collaborate on exciting projects, and unlock endless career opportunities. Encehill provides a supportive and innovative learning environment. We empower you to push the boundaries of drone technology and achieve your full potential. Visit Encehill Technology Hub today and discover the future of drone piloting. Enroll in our upcoming training programs and transform your passion into a profession. Follow us, like this video, and visit our website to learn more and register for our next course. Don't just fly, soar with Encehill.
Oh, good. All right, we're gonna be talking about the frame, and this is the F450 frame, which aligns its durable plastic arms and also central plates. So the frame is the skeleton of your drone. The F450 frame is lightweight and robust, and is designed to withstand impact while securely holding all other components. So you're going to be installing the motors here. You're going to be installing the electronic speed controller here too. You're going to be installing the battery also here. So it's a lightweight. I just want to open it. This is an order from Temu, and you can get it either from your preferred online e-commerce platform, whether Temu or AliExpress. And if you're in Nigeria, you can order it from Jumia or any other similar platform. So let's open it up to see what is inside. Can we go? Yeah, let's go. Next on our list is motor. So for Quadcopter, you're going to be needing 4 motors, and I'm going to make a video where you will see different types of drones by names based on the number of motors that is attached to the drone. So here I'm going to be using 4 motors, and let me just open one so you can see they're all the same thing, and you could make your order from either AliExpress or Temu, depending, or you can just get it somewhere. So basically this is what is inside. You have your motors here. This is 1000 kilovolts, and the model is A2212/13T. Alright, so it comes with ESC, it has electronic speed controller, brushless 40 amps. So this comes together, and you're going to see how it's being installed. So I have 4 motors here, and I'm going to be using the 4 ESC, which is the electronic speed controller, and we're going to be having one attached to each motor. It controls the speed of your motors. It regulates the power that the motor receives, and so it's very, very important for you to have a good selection of the right ESC. So next on the list is the propeller. So propeller is used to generate lift for your drone. It's very important. It has to be attached to each motor. It is also critical for us to match the right propellers to your motors for optimal performance and stability. So it's good. This is also the right propeller for the motor we've chosen, and you're going to be seeing how I will be coupling it. This is your propeller. So we have 4 of it. You can get extra ones. You need 4 actually for each motor's mounts. At the same time, you can do well to get extra. Okay, so another very, very important component for your drone is what we call the flight controller. FC is commonly known as FC, and we have different types, but here I will be using a controller made by PSOC. So PSOC is a flight controller that you're going to be using to navigate, to control your drone, is actually the brain of your drone, and also a very popular choice for your advanced features. It offers precision control and also stability. So I'll be using PISA 2.4.8. There are different versions, and this is relatively common in the market. You have some new ones which are more a little bit advanced than this, so it comes with other accessories, you know, that I'll be using in the course of the building of drone, and also to be able to program it with the computer. All right, so I'm going to be taking you through. I'll also come up with a video with you how to program. Okay, one important component you will need in your drone is GPS module. GPS module helps your drone to be able to navigate and hover with pinpoint accuracy. It gives your drone the awareness of where it is in terms of coordinates. So GPS module is also very important to mount on your drone. So this is it. You'll see how it's going to be mounted on your drone. It is important, and it's going to be attached to the brain of the computer. These are accessories where you're going to put it on the frame so they can stick to the frame. All right. Okay, so we clearly need to know that we need battery. Battery is essential. It's going to be the one to power the drone, and the capacity also. I'll take you through different battery sizes and capacity or rating, as it were, so you'll be able to see the ratings and capacity of the batteries. Is the endurance or the length of flight depends on the ratings and capacity of your battery. So it's very, very important for us to be aware of these battery types and how you can actually make use of it.